Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my winter Fabfitfun. This is a huge box. It's always huge. I don't know why I'm making a big deal about that, but it actually feels pretty heavy too. So I'm excited to dive in. It definitely feels like it's been a while since I got my Fabfitfun. It's only been a few months, but it feels like it's been forever since I have unboxed one of these. My recent videos have been on the long side, so I'm gonna try my best to just keep this a short, simple unboxing. Obviously, I'll show you everything that I got, and I do have one add-on and also one extra choice item. So we'll get into those first, and then we're gonna dive into the box. So first things first, if you don't know, you do get choice items in your Fabfitfun, and I was able to choose one, but I saw one of the other options I really liked as well, so I decided to pay, I think, an extra $10 to get this. So I got the Baddington lashes. This is the style Monroe. I actually still have this pair, I think, but I've worn them several times. This also comes with a little mini glue. So these are the Baddington Beauty lashes, and I got the style Monroe. So well worth it to me. These hold up really well. I like the style of them. They give you, a lot of length and volume without looking crazy. I feel like sometimes lashes can just be too much, and for me, if I'm doing a more like simple look, I don't want lashes that are going to just like take over my whole eye. That's just me personally, but a really nice style. Not quite simple, natural, but not crazy lashes either. So I actually added this one on entirely. So this is the Bluetooth shower speaker by Bando. Alright, so this is really cute. It's like a floral pattern, and it basically looks like that. It's got a huge suction cup on the back, and this is Bluetooth, and I think it's waterproof if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I would hope it's waterproof. It's got USB charging cord. Oh, it's water resistant, do not submerge. I think that means it can get wet, but you don't want to have it in the bathtub underwater or anything like that. Obviously, it's still got your little USB port right here. So I'm curious to try this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in the shower. Obviously, you don't want it under like direct water, and it has controls on it too, which is nice. So you can turn the volume up or down. I think you can even take a telephone call. Okay, so it's really cute. I'm excited about this. I think this was around $15. I don't think it was anything really expensive, but I love to listen to music in the shower, but I have to turn it up all the way and put my phone on my windowsill, and it just doesn't really like cut it a lot of the time. So being in the shower will be a lot better. So I'm excited to try this out. All right, so let's get into the box. It looks like this. I have cut the tape on it, but I didn't open it. So it's got like a little winter scene on it. They always have really cute like artwork on the boxes. Woo! So we have our little Fabfitfun magazine. It always comes in there. I'll make sure to have Fabfitfun down below. I think you can always basically get like a discount, so I will definitely link it down below if you're interested. So it's still sealed up, so I'm gonna open it up. So the first thing I see on top is the original makeup eraser. I think this will be the pink one. Yeah, so it's just an original one. I actually have multiple claws like these. Like I have a Stands Out Beauty one. I have a makeup eraser with llamas on it. So cute. And then I have my Bisou cloths too. So I'm gonna put this in an upcoming giveaway. My giveaway drawer is honestly getting to be so full, and I can't wait to do other big giveaways. Right now I do have my Jeffree Star and Shane collab giveaway going on. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. You can win both the palettes, and then I also have an Instagram giveaway going on until Thanksgiving. But I am waiting for 20,000, and it's definitely like a slow climb. I feel like it kind of slowed down, but if you're interested in a huge giveaway, make sure you're subscribed, because I will be doing one as soon as I hit 20,000. Yeah, I don't need to talk about that anymore. Okay, so the next thing I see is the Frank body. It says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Original coffee scrub, and it's a 100% natural exfoliator, and it's so funny. It's got like a little butt on it. Lose those pants. You don't need them where you're going. Destination Babe Town. Okay. Alright, so basically you just get wet, massage the scrub, reseal the bag, and use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So I've seen people get this before. I've never used anything from the brand, so I am curious. You guys know I already have like a coffee scrub that I like, but I definitely am, curious to see how this one compares to that one. And it has coffee, almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt. That's cool. So it stimulates collagen, improves the skin appearance, and hydrates, fades scars and marks with vitamin E, and the sea salt fights breakout and bacteria. Okay, so I'm really excited to give this a try. So this is the, I'm gonna butcher this, Cusio Somatology Yoga. I feel like I'm just saying a bunch of words. It's a calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash with lavender oil. So this is what it looks like. I'm not really that excited about this, to be honest, but let me see what it smells like. Ooh, it's got like that very like spa earthy type of scent to it, which I'm not really into, honestly. I might put this in like my guest bathroom as hand wash. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of this scent, but you know, I'm sure it's nice. The next thing we have is from Rhodial. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. And okay, I haven't used much from Rhodial. I think maybe I've had one item before, so I'm curious. The packaging looks really nice, looks super sleek. I've washed my hands like 5 times today already, so my hands are a little dry. It says that illuminate, glow, and be radiant with Soft Focus Glow Drops formulated with actives to brighten the complexion whilst providing the perfect skin perfecting priming base for makeup. Okay, then you can use it alone, of course. So it just looks like this like pink gel consistency. The scent of it reminds me of like a scented marker, if you guys used those when you were younger. Kind of what it reminds me of. So I don't know if you can see a big difference. It definitely looks like, you know, healthy skin, but I don't know if it made like a traumatic difference in my complexion or anything, but I definitely want to try these under makeup. I'm really intrigued, so you'll probably see me on Instagram putting these on before my makeup. I'll have to use that really soon. All right, next we have something from Drybar. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I'm pretty excited about this. I like Drybar products, and this is something that with my like long, fine hair, my hair always wants to get a little bit tangled up, and this will definitely help. Also, I think this is a heat protectant, is that right? Yeah, so it protects up to 450 degrees. So I like that it's like a 2-in-1 because I definitely need to protect my hair from heat, but like I said, I get a little tangly sometimes, so I'm pretty excited about this. So far, one of my favorite items in the box, definitely. Like, I'm more excited about these two than anything else so far. All right, next we have something from Beauty Bakery, and this is my first time trying out anything. I had the option of this and maybe 2 other items, and I had to go with this one. I definitely was so intrigued to try their stuff out. It's the Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I love the picture on it, like the banana pudding. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the bananas in the top. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely a more warm tone neutral palette. Let me do a few swatches. Ooh, it looks really nice. Look at those swatches there. Okay, my hand is so dry that literally like these swatches probably don't look as good as they should, but it looks really nice. I'm excited to play with this brand. I've wanted to try things for a while, and I actually do think that I have a powder from them that I purchased when it went on sale and I haven't used it. Like, these are the things that I do where I just totally forget things. So yeah, I'll have to find that powder. It's probably just in a drawer over there, but I'm excited to use this. It's very neutral, like, it's obviously a little bit more of a basic eyeshadow palette, but you definitely need colors like this in your collection, I think. I think it's one of those like staple items. So I'm excited to play with this some more. If you want to see me use this in a video, let me know, or I might do it in an Instagram video as well. All right, so it looks like we got some slippers. So these are by PJ Salvage. Weird name. All right, so I got the medium large ones. We're gonna see how they fit really quick, but it's like a sweater looking material, and then you are like furry on the inside, and they've got like a little rubbery type of base too, so you know, if you needed to go check the mail or something, you could kind of wear these out. These are a pretty nice fit. I wear a size like 8 or 8.5 depending on like the brand and the shoe, and these are just maybe slightly big, but I feel like even if you're a size 9, you'd be good. Like 8 to 9 is like perfect. So these feel really nice. They're super cozy on my toesies, so I'm definitely excited to wear those. I really like slippers. I don't know, I wear them around the house occasionally, or I'll wear like my Bath & Body Works little cozy socks. I love those too. All right, so we have got one more item. This says unhide for love, not fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. The only kind of fur I want is faux fur. It says they're a proud supporter of the Humane Society of the United States. It's a 50 by 60, 100% polyester. Wow, this is like tightly rolled. Oh, here is the one side. It feels so nice. My only gripe about blankets like this is the other side of it, which I know I said this one time before and somebody's like, just turn it over. I'm like, I want both sides to feel amazing. This one doesn't feel too bad though. Like sometimes this like other side of the blanket actually feels really cheap, and it's clearly just, you know, for the look of the top. This one doesn't feel bad. Like it still feels pretty nice, but I would love for this to be on both sides of the blanket. Like, can somebody do that for me? Or if you guys know of a blanket that is actually furry on both sides and not just on one, let me know, because I will get it. This one feels really nice. I love the look of it. It's like this super light tan. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. So I do love, again, the way that this feels. It's a really nice blanket. I think the value of this was like really high. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't pay that much for this, but if it had the faux fur on the other side, I would be willing to pay a lot more for it. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. I'm glad I got it in my box. And it's just like, for me, it's like, okay, do I want the nice side on my skin, or do I want to be able to feel the nice side with my hands as I have it on me? I don't know. So that is the last item in the box. I feel like this is a nice like winter box. It's very like cozy. So my slippers, I got my furry blankets, banana pudding palette. That's really cute. And we got some skincare. But let me know, what do you think about this winter Fabfitfun box? I think it's well worth, you know, the $50 subscription price. And I'll definitely use almost everything in here. Like the hand wash, again, is the only thing that I'm not crazy about. But I will get use out of the blanket, slippers, the hair product, the face product, the palette, and the coffee scrub. I'll definitely use all of that. I'll give somebody that hand wash. How about that? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Fabfitfun unboxing and it wasn't too long for you. Let me know what you think below, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video.